Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today we're going to be unboxing, reviewing, and trying out the 3M Headlight Restoration System. I did buy this product myself. Like you guys, I was researching how to restore your car's headlights. Came across somebody else using this kit. They had awesome success. So I figured I'd go ahead and give it a try as well and report my findings back for you in this video. So here's how the kit comes packaged. It has everything you need to do a complete headlight restoration. I'm going to link to this in my video description below, so be sure to go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. So nice 3M retail packaging. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have a nice 3M instruction guide complete with color pictures walking you through step by step with how to do the headlight restoration on your car. We have your sanding pad holder for a household drill rated between 1200 and 1600 RPMs. We have 6 P500 sanding pads right here. They look really nice. We have 4 P800 sanding pads right here. And then we have 1 P3000 sanding pad. And then we have your compound spreading pad right here, and a packet of compound that we're going to apply to the headlight lens once we're done. In a nutshell, it's going to go like this. You're going to use the P500 pad first, then the P800 pad, then the P3000 pad. You're going to put a dime-sized amount of compound on here, spread it on the headlight, and you should be all good to go. So let's go out to the car and restore a headlight. So we're at the car's headlight right now. You can see what it looks like before we work on restoring it at all. I went ahead, I used some painter's tape taped around the side. I got it a couple layers thick. I'd rather be safe than sorry, and I don't want to scratch any of the paint on this car. So now that it's taped off, we have a soapy rag right here too. So we're gonna go ahead and just clean the lens. Clean it really good. And then we'll come back through now that it's clean, and we're gonna dry it off with this cloth right here too. So here we're with my drill. We have the first sanding pad installed. That's the P500. So we're all ready to go. We're just gonna start gently applying some pressure, trying to keep the drill really straight as we go around the lens. And then every once in a while, let's periodically clean this off and the lens while we're doing those motions. So you can see I already went ahead once and sanded it really gently. You can see there's a lot of debris already coming off the sanding pad. So let's go ahead, let's wipe it down. So now we just got it wiped. You can see we need to go around again, just trying to keep that even motion, not staying at one area too long, not applying too much pressure. You don't want heat to build up or anything, and let's do it again. All right guys, we're back here now. We just finished the P500 sanding pad right there. You see the nice cloudy finish. Now the whole headlamp has that look. You may notice I've added some more tape around here. If you don't have good control, or maybe you're going too fast, you can definitely veer off and hit the paint. So I do not want to hit any of the paint on this car. That's not what I'm looking to do in this video. So you can see, just be extra cautious. Like I said before, you'd rather be safe than sorry. Once you get to this stage, I'd say it took me maybe 2 pads or so, probably about 10 minutes. But once you get to this stage, you'll know, because your headlamp is this consistent cloudy right there, and you're ready to go on to the next stage, which is the P800 sanding pad right here. And we're gonna repeat the same process again, just going in these nice smooth motions to get it from the 500 grit down to the 800 grit. So now we're back. We just finished sanding with the P800 pads. I think I can tell that the scratches are now a lot finer than they were at the P500. Now the next step is we got to put the P3000 pad on, and they say that you're supposed to spray the lens, so have it damp, and get the pad damp as well. And now we're going to go ahead and keep sanding with the P3000. You can already tell how much better this headlamp looks now, and we can just go ahead, wipe off the slurry, and keep repeating this process. So I just made my second pass with the P3000. You can see some more slurry, whitish buildup right here. That's a great sign. That's showing that we're getting rid of the P500 and the P800 scratches. So we're going to wipe that off, and we're going to keep making a couple more passes through here. Just like the instruction manual says, the more time that you spend on each individual step, the better the results will be. So we're going to keep doing this until we get a lot less buildup, or hopefully no buildup at all. All right, guys, we finished the P3000 pad. Just make sure you feel for any rough edges or surfaces still in case you missed some scratches from the previous pad. Everything looks great. Now we got the foam pad attached right there. We put some compound on, and then we're supposed to rub it around the headlight. Once we have it rubbed in on the lens, we're just supposed to gently polish it until the cloudy haze is gone. Repeat until you're happy with the results, or if you see any more scratches, go ahead and repeat the previous step, starting with P500 again and working your way back up. Be careful when polishing not to run the foam pad dry. Now let's wipe it off and see how it looks. There we go, guys. Just wiped it off. It looks fantastic. I'm super impressed. Couple of key takeaways from this whole process for you to make sure that you get the best results possible. Please, please, please protect around your car. You do not want to damage any of the paint. Second off, make sure you spend enough time in each step. Honestly, it doesn't seem like it can hurt you sanding too much. Obviously, if you follow their instructions, you're not sanding in one place, generating too much heat or damaging or smearing the lens or anything like that. But I'm super impressed with the results. Just make sure you follow the instructions closely, and you'll be just as impressed as I am too. I'd say start to finish, probably anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour if you know what you're doing per headlight, maybe even faster, but I spent a lot of time because I really wanted it to look great. So I'm really impressed. All right, just remove the tape. Everything looks awesome. I'm really impressed with the results. Again, so cool. And I just used regular painter's tape, and it did not damage my car surface at all. I'd make sure you try it out on a tiny area of your car where it would not be noticeable in the event that the tape does do any damage, but I did not have any problem. And look at how good the headlight looks now on this Chrysler Crossfire. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. As you can see from the before and the after pictures, I'm really happy with this product and how the headlights turned out. Let me know in the comment section below what car you've restored your headlights on, or what car you plan on restoring your headlights on. And don't hesitate to reach out to any questions, comments, or concerns. I'd be happy to answer them for you or point you in the right direction. If you could also hit that like button for me, subscribe to my channel. We have new content coming out daily, and I don't want you guys to miss any of it. Give us a follow on social media as well, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you in our next video.